Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this cubic equations looks difficult, but you don't need any formula. So only one smart observation give the answer instantly. So let's start with today's video solution. So first rearrange the equation. So t cube plus t equal 30. So bring all terms to one side. T cube plus t minus 30 equals 0. Now try integer values. That is a very important concept. For cubic equation, always try a small integer first. So when t is equals to 1, so it's 1 cube is 1 plus 1 minus 30, that is minus 28, which is wrong. It's not satisfied. Now when t is equals to 2, so 2 cube is 8 plus 2 minus 30, which is equals to minus 20, which is also not valid. Now t is equals to 3. 3 cube is 27 plus 3 minus 30. 27 plus 3 is 30 and minus 30 is 0. So yes, it's perfect. So t is equals to 3. Since t is equals to 3 is a root, so now let's find t cube plus t minus 30 equals 0. So when we'll divide with t is equals to 3, so this gives us t minus 3. So divide it, t cube plus t minus 30, so t square. So this gives us t cube minus 3t square. Change the symbol. So it's give us 3t square plus t. Now plus 3t gives 3t square minus 9t. Change the symbol. So this gives us 10t minus 30. Now we have to multiply with 10. So it becomes 10t minus 30. So we can write this as t minus 3 times t square plus 3t plus 10 equals 0. Now solve the remaining quadratic equation. So this part t square plus 3t plus 10 equals 0. So first I am checking the discriminant that its roots is real or not, because t belongs to real number as per the quotient condition. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac, where a is coefficient of t square, b is coefficient of t and c is the constant. So d is equals to 3 square minus 4 times 1 times 10. So 9 minus 40, which is equals to negative 31, which is less than 0. So no real roots. So final answer is t is equals to 3. So most students overthink this, but the solution is just 3. So comment easy if you got it right. Like, share and subscribe for more smart math.